Wonder where I've been, wonder where I've been.
Bracelet made a banger.
Guess you wonder where I've been, wonder where I've been,
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ivory. I'm the owner of ivoriesjewelrie, and today we're going to be making a charm bracelet. This bracelet isn't going to be on my website, but I do plan on adding charm bracelets in the near future. You'll need jump rings, bent nose pliers, round nose pliers, wire cutters, wire, and of course your choice of beads and charms. Right now I'm just picking out random beads that I like. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a chain, and since I don't have any silver chains, I'm going to make my own using jump rings. So you just open them up and connect them together, close it, and you keep repeating that until you get the desired length that you want. Now you can take your wire and put your first bead on there. You can put as many beads as you want, and you're just going to close off the end by looping it. So your loop should look like this. And then you're going to cut off the excess wire and loop the other end. Some people use what's called a looper, but since I don't have those, I'm just using my round nose pliers. So it should look something like this. And then the next thing you're going to do is open up that chain and add it to the loop you created. So now you have the first part of your bracelet. Now you're going to do the same exact thing. Add the beads that you want. Loop the ends. Now I'm going to open one of the ends back up and connect them together. You can add a charm in between. I did end up taking this charm off, but you're still going to do the same thing. You're going to connect both ends. Open the loop back up. Place the other section in the loop and then close it back off. So yeah, this is what you should have so far. Keep repeating that process over and over until you get the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And yeah, I'm not going to talk that much in the next clips, so just enjoy seeing me put the rest of the bracelet together. So instead of connecting the centerpiece charm to the loops that I made, I'm going to add a jump ring and then connect my charm to that jump ring. Now I'm taking the other section and adding that to the jump ring too. So basically you're gonna add both the loops to the jump ring. Don't connect both the loops to each other this time. Now the bracelet is pretty much finished. All I have to do is add the charms. This is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love this design, and I do plan on adding bracelets like this to my store very soon. So make sure to subscribe and follow me on my socials so you can stay up to date. Comment down below if this video helped you or if you just like how the bracelet turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned in for my next video.